Hi everyone, this is the last video for the Snap utilized flood mapping with Sentinel-1 data. In this video, I will guide you how to stack the different band images with overlay as well as make RGB image using those of bands. And lastly, I will export the RGB image as a KMG format to see on the Google Earth. So from the previous video tutorial, I made this kind of terrain correction, the data, these two images. I only open these two images on the Snap desktop. After that, I will open this band's image. So I will firstly this sigma naught BB decibel image first. Then the second image for the 2021. So I will also open this one. So we already adjusted this kind of the distribution image as well. Based on that, I will make some overlay images with the stack tool. So you go to this radar tab and then go to this Coregistration. After that, click this stack tools and then you can see this grid stack. After that, you can open this kind of dialog box and then if you click this plus button, you can see already added the two scenes on here. Also, you can select with this plus button to directly select this kind of scene. After that, you can shift this tab button. After that, this grid stack, some parameters you should select. So initial offset method would be required to select. So this should be product geolocation. So this would be based on the stack, based on this kind of geolocation they will made. So you need to select this product geolocation. So that would be required to select. And then the image should be stored the same directory. After that, I will make this kind of stack image with this button run. After that, you can see this stacked image. So I will collapse all of these two and then expand this band's image. So you can see on here this MST is this master scene, and also SLV scene would be slave scene. So I will open this master scene for 2020. After that, you can see this slave scene would be 2021 scene. So I will click to open. After that, I will adjust this kind of the distribution with the image color and also the second image. So I will adjust their distribution to see more clearly. So after that, you need to go to this layer manager and then you can see this slave scene would be selected, this second image. So based on that, I will add and overlay this master scene, 2020 scene. So you need to click this plus button. After that, select image of bands. And then the next, and then you can select this stacked image for the selecting this master image 2021. So you need to click to finish. After that, if you check and uncheck this one, you can see clearly this kind of the different scene stacked image with this kind of check and uncheck. Also, you can use after click this one, you can use this slider to see the image more clearly, more easily to identify this flooded and non-flooded area with the two different scenes you can find. So I will zoom out. After that, I will make differences with this slider as well. So you can clearly see this kind of a different image band overlay with this kind of transparency. So also you can check and uncheck this kind of one. Okay? So now I will develop RGB composite image based on these bands image. For that, firstly click this data product. After that, you need to go to this window tab and click this open RGB image window. After that, you can see this required to select red, green, and blue channel. So I will firstly select this slave. This would be non-flooded scene 2021. This would be drought season scene. So I select as a red. After that, green should be this master, the band's image. Also blue, master band's image you need to select. Based on this selection, this red area should be flooded. On the non-flooded season, they will make some different scenes based on this RGB image. Okay, so after that you need to click this OK button, and then you can see this developed RGB image. So if you zoom in, you can see this red area based on non-flooded season. So you can see this would be red band. So this would be kind of the flooded area. We can differentiate this kind of RGB composite image. So if you shift this red one a little bit, this one, you can see also see this green and blue channel that is not very related with the flooded area. Okay, so you can see clearly this kind of red area image. So that was non-flooded area before. Now this red area would be flooded area with the two different scenes based on this kind of RGB bands image. Okay. So now I will export this developed scene for the RGB. For that, you need to go to this File tab. After that, you can see this export with many format. So in this case, I would like to geotip file. I would like to make so you can see this kind of name. So I will erase all this kind of the suffix and other the date. So I will make this would be my final product name for this TIF image. And also you can simply make the KMG format for the viewing on the Google Earth image. So for that you can right click on this scene, and then you can very simply make export view as Google Earth KMG file. So I will click this one. After that you need to select your folder for this kind of the RGB image save. So in this case I will make flood map as the name of this KMG file, flood map. So I will save this KMG file. So you can very simply export as two different format with the export TIF geotip image as well as KMG file. Okay. So now I have finished all the required processes for the flood mapping with this Snap Desktop. So you need to go to this File tab and save all these products. After that, you can safely close this kind of the Snap Desktop. from your computer window, okay? So in this video, I have made my demonstrations for developing and exporting the RGB image of flood map with available formats to see the other GIS platforms as well as the Google Earth. With these my 4 different Snap utilized flood mapping video tutorials, I hope to help the Snap users to learn the hydrological application work. Thank you for watching.